Alright, another update, part 2. See? See? Okay, the power's back on. It was just like a boom like that, and power went off. I was playing Club Pogo until I heard a boom sound. Say, what the hell did I hit? Oh, let me check the way on. Maybe log. Let me log in. This is an update. The second update is 5 minutes after the first part is start recording. I just got, this is 5 minutes later. Yeah, part 2, 5 minutes later. The power's back on. That's where it come from. Oh, that's where it comes from. That's what it's from, right there. Holy crap, dude. I have one bar. I got a 1 bar battery left. It just went down. And I have enough battery to record about 2 10-minute videos, I'm thinking. Because it happened before. Just making 4-minute update, that's all I did. Let me reset my clock. There we go. Got a couple of them. Couple. Oh, it's right here. I mean, orange. Oh, that shit happens sometimes. Okay. We need some light, man. Give me some light here. Just a tiny kaboom like that. Now part 2, 5 minutes after I start recording on part 1. It's like mostly pop-ups right there. You can have thunder. We don't know where the lightning just hit, but I'm pretty sure it might hit right here somewhere. Oh, the cable still works. I didn't know. It just popped up from out of nowhere and boom, like that, like that. It happened. That shit happens. That shit happens. Now I gotta reset my freaking oven. This is part 2. Stay tuned for more updates.